I'm Brenda Demers, and this is Brenda Behind the Signs. I'm here at Little Shop of Olives in Franklin, Mass. Did you know that you can actually taste the olive oils and the vinegars? Oh, let's go see what they have on tap. Hey Tracy, I'm back.
Brenda.
How are you?
Good. So good to see you.
You too. Tracy, you have two sections of vinegars. Tell me the difference between the two sections.
So one is a white, one is a dark, one's very bright and light. The other one is very savory and flavorful.
And you use them differently in different foods?
You can, and each one of the tags tells you how to use them. But my favorite is Cascadian raspberry, and I use it in seltzer water with ice. Oh my gosh,
the
it's
raspberry
amazing.
is one of my favorites too. I also love the espresso and the maple.
Oh my gosh, so espresso is amazing. It just smooths out. Have you ever had radicchio?
Yes.
You know how bitter it is. Take a little espresso, smooths it right out. It is absolutely delicious. You have to come down here and try this cucumber. It is amazing. Right here, take a little cup, pour a little in, and give it a try. It is so good as a replacement for any white wine vinegar.
Oh,
Look, the flavor is amazing.
that is really good.
It is really good. We have a lychee that people are telling me is fantastic in martinis. You have to try that one.
All
Come
right.
on down here.
I'm game. Here it is.
There you go. I've never heard of a martini with these. The lychee is brand new. We just got it maybe a month ago. Isn't it amazing?
Tracy, I can't own every one of these, you know.
Yeah, you can. I do.
All right, let's make our way over to some of the oils, and you can talk
We have
about the
some new
benefits.
ones. Yeah.
All right.
So Brenda, this table is full of all new oils. We get every 6 months, there's a new harvest. But I know you'll love this one because you love spicy. So give it a whirl. It's called Coratina, and it's awesome. And it's from Chile.
Okay, okay. And this is kind of like your beers on tap. They change out every 6 months on this table. This is a very cool table.
It
And
is.
these are your regulars
Flavored,
that you have.
yeah,
Okay,
oils.
we'll go back
And we
here
do
after.
have specialty ones over here.
Excellent. Okay, I'm going to give this Coratina a try.
I know you'll love it.
Oh, that is good. So chili and
You don't
Pepper.
get it right away, but after a minute,
it hits you.
and it's really delicious.
Okay, so what do we got in this one?
This is single varietal. The tree is Coratina, and it is basically extra virgin olive oil that is robust, and it's excellent for your health.
I love it. So some of the natural ingredients that are in these oils, where do you get your oils from?
They come from all over the world. Right now we have harvest from the southern hemisphere, so you're going to find places like Chile and Australia and a little bit of California too.
And some of the benefits of using these oils versus...
Oh, heart health, bar none. It is amazing. Lowers your blood pressure, lowers your cholesterol. It's just so good for you.
Let's switch to this one. This is your infused olive oil section?
Yes.
Okay.
And I will name a few that people love, including you. Tuscan herb. We also have a basil, but I know your favorite is the clouty because it's really hot.
It is. And then I have two other favorites.
Oh yeah. jalapeno, and chipotle. Oh my gosh, I don't know how you do it.
Those are my two favorites. The bacludi I will send to my clients and some other realtors around the US. Speaking of that, you have a very big online presence.
Oh yes, it has been amazing. Prior to 2020, we had virtually no online. Now it's half of the business. It's pretty amazing.
Along with all of the oils and the vinegars, you have an entire store of wines and soaps, and
we have so many gifts here. People just walk in, they're like, I know you have something for everyone. And the people who receive the gifts just love it.
Tracy, I've known you for quite a while. Shall we talk about how we met? I went into your store one time and there was no one there. And I was looking around and I ended up having to call the police because the store was vacant, and they had to call you and locate you and let you know that the store was vacant but unlocked. And I stood there and waited until someone could come, because there was, it was unsecured and I wanted to make sure it was safe. And that was years ago. And
oh my gosh, yeah, that had to be 2019. And yes, I do recall that day. That was my son. And boy, was he in trouble.
It's okay. We all have kids who do silly things.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that is how we met.
I know. I use that story all the time. They're like, no, you're kidding me. I'm like, no, it really happened.
All right. Well, you know what? Thank you for having me. As usual, I love it. And come shop the Little Shop of Olives in Franklin, Mass. Where can we find you?
On Main Street, and you can also find us online at shopevu.com.
There you go. Come give it a try. Just left my favorite store in Franklin, Mass, Little Shop of Olives. Tracy hooked me up with my favorite olive oils and vinegars. Come try for yourself. I'll see you next time. I'm Brenda Demers with Brenda Behind the Signs.